Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide home page from navigation menu on Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to our Wix website edit. And then from in here, you should be able to see your navigation menu. So this is my navigation menu, and this is the home page. So I want to not show the whole page on my navigation menu. I just want to show reviews, shop items, and costs. So in order to do this, what I can do is I can click on this specific navigation menu, click on Manage Menu, or I can also just click on the Pages and Menu in here. Now in here, you can see my home page. What I need to do is I just need to click on this three dot. Then in here, you can see the option for hide. So just click on this hide right here. And once you have hidden that, you can see that your navigation menu has no home page anymore. But once the users have typed in your default URL, they should be able to still see it, but it's not appearing in here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to hide home page from navigation menu on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.